And keeping it here on the topic of vaccines, President Biden is mandating vaccines for federal workers and strongly encouraging businesses to do the same. But what about our nation's veterans who rely on federal benefits?
Our Julissa Garza took a look at one claim that a lot of people are sharing online. She joins us live in the studio for that. Julissa?
You may have seen claims on social media saying President Biden ordered the Department of Veterans Affairs to withhold health care benefits for unvaccinated veterans starting November 1st. So is this true? Let's verify. Our sources for this are the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, the VA Texas Valley Coastal Bend Healthcare System, and the text from President Biden's executive order on September 9th. In July, the Department of Veterans Affairs announced that all healthcare personnel who work in Veterans Health Administration facilities must get vaccinated. But that does not extend to non-employees who use the department's services. That means if you work for the VA, you must be vaccinated. But if you're simply a veteran going to the VA, the rules don't apply to you. On September 9th, President Biden issued an executive order introducing new federal vaccine requirements, but the order does not mention veterans or their government health care benefits. The VA Texas Valley Coastal Bend Healthcare System confirmed that, adding a statement from the Veterans Affairs Press Secretary, which says the president has not and will not withhold benefits to veterans who choose not to be vaccinated. The spread of this misinformation is extremely detrimental to our veterans and their families and should cease immediately. So we can confirm the claim that President Biden ordered the Veterans Affairs to withhold health care benefits for unvaccinated veterans is false. Now, if what you see on social media does not come from a source you know, investigate. This viral claim originated from an article on a website that describes its stories as, quote, parodies, satire, fiction, fake, not real, and says everything it posts is made up. So be sure to do your due diligence. Rudy, Leslie.